I've launched Tableau Public, and the first thing I need to do is connect to that Excel file. So I click on Microsoft Excel, and I need to navigate to the folder where I've got that Excel file. And I double click on the Excel file. And now I've imported the Excel file as a data source. Now I go up to File, Save As, and I'll navigate to the folder where I want to save this file. And I'll name it 50 Biggest Cities. And I want to save it as a Tableau packaged workbook, and I click Save. A couple of things I want to point out. As I look at the city column, I see there's a little globe icon. If I right-click on that and click on Geographic Role, I'll see that the category for this data is city. That globe means it's a geographic category. And if it wasn't a geographic category, I could go in and select it to be a city. The same thing with state. If I right-click on the little globe in the state column and point at geographic role, I can see that the state data is classified as a state or province. So I need that data for the city and state to be classified as geographic data in order to create a map.